Welcome to this video on setting up a free, local, and private AI environment. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. We are setting up an integrated environment. Ollama will act as the engine, OpenClaw as the interface, and Gemma 4 as the intelligence, all connected via a local data loop. The Gemma 4 deployment matrix shows various model sizes. We will proceed with the highly optimized E2B model for broad compatibility across mobile and standard desktop devices. Phase 1 is the engine setup. Acquire the Ollama engine by copying the base curl command and executing it in your terminal. This will initialize the local server. Next, we select the intelligence. Navigate the model registry and isolate the Gemma 4 E2B variant for optimized local execution and broad compatibility. Execute the run command to pull the model locally. The initial download time will depend strictly on your localized connection speed. Verify core cognitive functionality directly within the terminal by entering a prompt. This isolates the backend operations before integrating the graphical frontend. Phase 2 is interface configuration. Transition to OpenClaw and execute the configuration protocol to bridge the localized frontend dashboard with your active Ollama backend. It is critical to retain the default local URL configuration. This ensures all packet routing and processing remain strictly confined to your physical hardware. Now, we bind the model. Uncheck any legacy selections, then isolate and bind Gemma 4 E2B before finalizing the environment setup. Next, restart the gateway. This executes the final handshake, applying the new routing logic between Ollama and OpenClaw successfully. Launch the dashboard. Execute the command in the terminal to initialize the user interface and exit the command line environment. The UI experience. Select your localized Gemma 4 model directly from the OpenClaw dashboard dropdown to begin interaction with your private AI. System warm-up and execution. The initial query requires approximately 10 to 20 seconds as the localized system mounts the model. Subsequent queries will execute with standard latency. Privacy confirmed. You now have enterprise-grade intelligence, fully aware of its localized environment, running 100% free and strictly private on your consumer hardware.